In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious grilled cheese dippers that are perfect to use for your favorite tomato soup, to send them in a school lunch, and I'm gonna show you how I do all of that up next. Making grilled cheese dippers is just like making your favorite grilled cheese. You're gonna take some butter and butter both sides of the bread. Now I'm using a nice and thick bread because I want to be able to dip it into my veggie tomato sauce. It's a rainy and thundery day here, so this is a type of lunch that it's gonna be epic. I'm gonna use 2 slices of cheese. You can use your favorite cheese for a grilled cheese sandwich, right? Like cheddar, provolone, Swiss, whatever your favorite is. Now the trick to a really great grilled cheese sandwich is to start with a really hot pan before you grease it or before you place your sandwich, because you don't wanna burn your butter as your pan heats up. So once you feel the heat coming through your pan and your pan is hot, you're gonna take your buttered sandwich and place it in the middle of your pan. After a minute or so, once the base of our grilled cheese is toasty and you flip your grilled cheese over, that is when we focus on melting the cheese. The first side is just to get that toasty crust that we all love. And after that, once you flip it, what I like to do is reduce the heat to medium-low so that I don't burn my sandwich. So this second side is purely to toast the bottom side and melt the cheese. So I like to just take a lid and place it right over my sandwich to create a heat dome so it traps all the heat and it helps melt the cheese. Remember this, and low heat. Our grilled cheese sandwich is grilled to perfection. Before we turn this into dippers, let's serve a bowl of our veggie tomato soup right here. What's better than a grilled cheese and tomato soup on a rainy day? So let's take our grilled cheese out of our pan right here. And instead of slicing your grilled cheese sandwich in half like you would if you're just eating grilled cheese, we are going to slice it into thin strips. So our cheese is perfectly melted inside, and we take our grilled cheese and dip it into our soup. So good. Super delicious. Oh yes, let me tell you how to pack it for lunch before I eat it all. If you made the veggie tomato soup ahead of time and have it in your fridge or freezer, you wanna make sure that you heat it up really, really hot. I have a video on how to heat up hot foods in a thermos and how to pack them for lunch that I'm gonna link below here so you know how to make sure that your food stays hot all the way to lunchtime. So what I would do is fill my thermos with the hot soup, close our thermos, and this will go in the lunch bag. Now, what you wanna do to pack any grilled sandwich for lunch, including these dippers, is you would grill this to perfection and let it cool down on your counter for about 5 minutes, just enough so that when you pack it inside of a lunchbox, it doesn't get all steamy and soggy. So you definitely grill it. And then once cooled, you place them in your lunchbox along with some other veggies and fruit in here, and you can close the lunchbox and place these two together inside of your lunch bag. Now make sure you send a spoon along with the soup and the grilled cheese dippers in the lunchbox so that they can get all the way to the last drop of the soup. If you love lunch ideas like this and are always looking for more, make sure you check the link below this video in the description box to my 101 Lunches ebook, where I share with you bento boxes, wraps, sandwiches, lots of thermos lunches like this one, and things that you can prep ahead. And of course, I also tell you how to pack all of these items so they stay fresh in the lunch bag. More in the description box, along with that red subscribe button, so you and I get to hang out together a few times a week. See you next time.